Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Mailchimp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. So if you're using WordPress like me, go to wordpress.com right here. And from here, we can get started browsing everything we need. And on the left side of the screen, we have the plugin section from where we can go and take a look at all the WooCommerce plugins that we are using for our store. So now let's go and take a look at how to go and get started with connecting to Mailchimp. So we're going to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce website right here at WooCommerce.com. And from here, we're going to go and take a look at the extensions tab at the top of the screen. That's going to go ahead and enable us to access the extensions marketplace. In this extensions marketplace, we can go and take a look at all the extensions we can use for our store. And as you can see, one of the recommended ones is Mailchimp. So what you can do is open it up, or if you cannot see it right here, you're going to search the extensions and search for Mailchimp, and it's going to give you the result, and then you're going to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open up the main page from where we can get started with installing it for our store. So it's going to enable us to increase traffic, drive repeat purchases, and send personalized emails and SMS campaigns using Mailchimp's marketing tools. So you're going to click to add to store, click this button right here, and this is going to enable you to add this extension to your store. Once you've installed it, you can follow the install steps and even read the documentation if you need any more help. And this is going to enable you to integrate it with your store that you have set up on WordPress. Well, once you have done that, get started with integrating those two platforms, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.